Hello, I'm ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and I'm here with a new video regarding a particular question and query. But before I answer, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So, without wasting further time, let's get started on the question we have today. And the question today I have is, I need some advice. I'm running Google Ads for the first time. Congratulations, you are running the Google Ads for the first time, and I'm getting traffic to my website. That's a very good thing. My before ads, I would get maybe 8 a week, visitors or leads. Confusion. Let's assume visitors. Now I'm getting 40 to 50 a day. Yeah, but no, not one call or form fill out. So yeah, it means that you are actually getting visitors. So I have tried a few different landing pages, still nothing is happening. Okay, optimizing landing page is a very good thing. Optimized landing page, I like, because in case if you are creating a highly optimized campaign and we do not have a highly optimized landing page, it's going to be a waste of money. So let me appreciate you that you have an optimized landing page. Now coming to the question that you are still not getting leads, or even you are getting 40 to 50 visitors a day. I'm assuming over here visitors because you said no leads. So what is the reason why you are not getting leads? Okay, there are few things which is why you are not getting proper leads. Okay, so I assume that you have a highly optimized landing page which is still working very well, getting amazing it's CTAs, call to actions over there, buy now, register, or whatever your goal is. Now to optimize campaigns, I have a few ideas through which you can improve your conversions or calls for Google Ads. Okay, my first strategy is to create a specific Google call campaign. Okay, call campaign, you are going to have your number being shown on the top of the ad, and this can bring direct calls. Even people can call you without even visiting your website. Let me show you one such example. Okay, you can see over here that the call number is being directly added in the campaign. You can see over here, I mean in the ad. So here the website is a visiting website is the second thing, and the calling directly is the first thing. So my direct recommendation is to create a specific Google Ads campaign in case if you're all concerned is regarding getting more and more calls. So that is my first strategy over here. Second strategy is to optimizing your campaign, and optimizing your campaign, my suggestions always are focus on specific time, on peak timings, main peak days, peak hours, peak days, then location should be short, and then adding ad extensions over to get ad having more attractive, more catchy, more attention grabbing, then working on keywords, right keyword for the right visitor, to improve the intent behind that every keyword. And that is few of the things which you can use to optimize. Now it varies again case to case. Competitors are also competitors can also teach you a lot of stuff, so we can work around that as well. But in case if you want a perfect Google Ads complete setup, the details are in the description of this video, and me and my team can help you in creating a world-class campaign that can generate more sales and visitors. So I hope it answers your question. Good luck with your campaign regarding Google Ads for call campaign, and my best wishes are with you. So thank you for watching. In case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And in case if you need me and my team services, the details are in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.